Welcome you all students. I come up with a question from Lami's theorem. Okay, with the Lami's theorem, I going to solve the given problem. An electric light fixture weighing 50 Newton hangs from a point C by two strings AC and BC as shown in figure. Determine the force in the string AC and BC. Okay. So this is a given question for us. This is the diagram given in the question. First try to take the given data. Given data. What is the given data? Given here white is given, which is 50 Newton. Any other data? Everything it is mentioned in the diagram. About the string inclination, we have it in our diagram. So these are the things we are having. Okay. So what needs to be find? To find the force in the string AC and BC. Here see BC and AC, which is tied with the help of what? String. So whenever the string is tied between two bodies or two region, what happens there will be the tension force. Okay. So here the tension force will be acting, and always see whenever the string is tied, always with respect to the point, the tension force will be going outwards, right? So here tension force is going to have in the string AC and BC. So I am going to take T CB, which is unknown, we need to find, and T CA, that also we need to find. And the solution, before starting your work, we need to draw the free body diagram. That is very important. That plays vital role here. Then only it will be very easier to solve the problem. Okay. So here see, with respect to point, I gonna take the forces. So this is a point C. That point I gonna consider. So from the point C, there is a downward force. Since the light is hanging here, the weight will be acting downwards, which is given 50 Newton. So it's a known force, 50 Newton. And see, something like this, we have a tension force. We know in the string, the tension force goes outwards. I can say this is TAC, sorry, TCA. And then here C to B, there is a string, we are familiar, it's gonna have in the outwards. Okay, so I'm gonna take tension CB, C to B, the tension is moving. So now we are going to follow the Lami's theorem method. Okay, so we have three forces, three are acting, three are a coplanar force which are in equilibrium. We are going to solve through the Lami's theorem. Okay, so we know Lami's theorem says if you want to solve the if you want to get the magnitude of any force, it says force is directly proportional to sine of angle between other two forces. Am I right? So if you need to find the tension CB, we can calculate the TCB directly proportional to sine of angle between other two forces. Similarly, we can do it for the rest of the forces. We can identify the unknown from it. Okay. So in order to undergo with the Lami's theorem, what we need to find first is the in between angles. In between angles, it is important. Okay. In between angles between all the forces need to be predicted. This angle is needed. So first concentrate angle between TCB and 50. This angle. Okay. So for that, look the question. Here if I take, I can close it. If I draw the horizontal line, you can form a triangle here. Right? When you are having a horizontal line passing through the C, you can get a triangle. So if it is triangle, this side is mentioned as a 45. Then I can say this would be with a 90 degree. It's a perpendicular to each other, this side. So this would be 90 degree. And we are familiar, the total angle of triangle is 180 degree. Total angle of triangle is 180 degree. If the total angle of triangle is 180 degree, what would be this angle? This angle, how much would be? If you put 180 degree minus 45 degree minus 90, you get what? 45. So here this angle is 45 degree. We need the angle between TCB and this what? 50 Newton, right? The whole. Just look at this diagram. This is 45. What would be this angle? This is just a 90 degree. So if you put 90 degree plus 45 degree, that would be this angle. So that I can say it will be 135 degree inclination. Go to the next. Just we shall concentrate on this angle between TCA and 50 Newton. So here comes this inclination need to be found. Okay. So any other clue to find? Now to find it, we have clue in the question. Here it is mentioned as 60 degree. Always remember, if you are having the parallel lines like this and if your force is something like this, and here it is mentioned as 60 degree, am I right? Always the parallel angles are same. That means here the force is going something like this, am I right? So here it is mentioned the force and the horizontal component as what? 60 degree. Similarly, if you take this point there as well, for the same force, the force and between the horizontal component, this is the horizontal line, the force and horizontal component will be with this equal inclination. Always the parallel angles are equal. So just we can take this as 60. Similarly, if you take, this would be 60 since this is a parallel. Okay, fine. So if it is 60, what would be the angle between T or CA and 50 degree? This one. What would be? If you take 90 degree plus 60 degree, you get the answer, because this is with 90 degree, just like this. Okay. So what is the answer? 90 plus 60, we get 150 degree. What is next? Angle between TCB and TCA, that needs to be found. So here see, all the two angles have been calculated. All the two angles have been calculated. Remaining is one. It is so easy. We know total angle of what? Total angle of this is 360 degree. If you take a circle, that will be with 360. So total angle for this the forces will be 360 degree. So what I going to do is, from 360 degree I going to minus or subtract both the angles, so that we will get the remaining angle, which will be your TCB and TCA inclination. So I going to take 360 degree minus 135 degree minus 150 degree. Whole is 360. From that I going to subtract both the inclinations, so that you will get 75 degree. Fine. So almost all the angles have been calculated. Next step is applying the what? Lami's theorem. Just applying Lami's theorem. Okay. So if you want to solve a force, I am going to take first for this as a force. Okay, I am going to take this as a first force. So which is TCB. That means our Lami's theorem state that force is directly proportional to sine of directly proportional to. That means sine of angle between other two forces. This is the force I am going to calculate it. What is the other two forces? TCA and 50. So angle between other two forces in the sense this 150 degree. So TCB divided by sine of 150 degree. So it's an equilibrium. So I'm going to take equal. And if you are going to solve another force, I'm going to take this TCA. TCA, force is directly proportional to sine of angle between other two forces. If I consider this, what is the other two forces? TCB and 50. So other two forces angle, which is 135. So here we can substitute 135 degree. The last one, 50. If for the weight 50, I'm going to take. So if I take the force 50, sine of angle between other two force. What is the other two force? This one, angle between TCB and TCA, which is 75. So sine 75 degree. Okay. So now we have two known forces. Two unknown forces and one known force. Am I right? So here we need to calculate TCB and TCA. Both we need to get the answer. So what we're going to do is we're going to relate the known value with unknown value. That's the thing we're going to do. We are going to relate the known value with unknown value. Known value with unknown value. If you take the component here, this is the first, this is the second, this is the third. Now to relate it, I'm going to first consider 1 and 3 first. 1 and 3. If I consider, it will become TCB divided by sine 150 degree is equal to 50 divided by sine 75 degree. Do the cross multiplication, you will get TCB value 50 divided by sine 75 degree into sine of 150 degree angle. If you do the calculation, you get 25.88 Newton as the answer. TCB, tension force. So we need to take in Newton. Okay, tension force. For the force, we need to represent the unit as Newton, right? Okay. And the next one, we have found the TCB. This one over. The last one, TCA. Here, now to identify TCA, next I am going to compare this 2 and 3. So just consider the component 2 and 3. So TCA divided by sine of 135 degree is equal to 50 divided by sine 75 degree. What needs to be done in the next stage? Just do the cross multiplication. CA is equal to 50 divided by sine 75 degree into sine 135 degree. Do the calculation. If you do the calculation, you will get 36.5 Newton. Okay, this is the answer for TCA. So I hope you understood how to calculate the problem by using the Lami's theorem. Okay, so always at the first step you need to calculate the angle between the forces, and afterwards how to apply the Lami's theorem. That means force is directly proportional to sine of angle between other two forces. If you do the calculation, you will get the answer for the unknowns. Thank you so much.